Today's job right here, over this house, building right here. And we're set up on the driveway. Boom. Roping this shit down over this house. Got a good little bit more to rope down. Done rope down all that. Then I think once I get all this weight off, I'm just gonna pull the whole tree down through there. This is a very technical tree removal right here. Got this whole section's coming off. But this right here, just knowing how to set up a rope. See, that's tight. That's tight around there. That ain't gonna slip, even though, I mean, I got this for protection also. But you have to know how to set this up where it does not slip. It's got a horrible lean in it back towards me. I was just gonna get the rest of this side right here off and cut it straight, drop it down through there with a rope in it. But now I've decided I'm just gonna take this off and then take the top out and then just take it down with that bad lean. And it's rotting down there and it's got a crack in it. So, you know, you can't control it the best and drive it when it's like that. Got this one tied off right over my bucket. It's gonna have to swing this way, hit that way, and then go down. That's all when you cut and push. Almost got it. Untying that limb. I'm a good at least 50 foot up at least. All right. Got her waxed almost. Now I gotta chunk it down because it's a tight. There's a fence, there's a house, there's a building. I mean, this is a semi-tight spot. At least ain't no power lines. There's the finished product. About give 40-foot stub. He wants me to leave it standing. He said he'll cut the rest. I even said I'll put a rope in it real quick and put it on the ground for you. And no, he insists. I got a ladder, I got a power saw, I got cable. All right, sir.